In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom text box for product customization on your Shopify store. This will allow your customers to personalize products directly on the product page or even during the checkout process, all without needing a paid app. Instead, we'll utilize Shopify's built-in line item properties, making the process both efficient and cost-effective. First, let's talk a bit about line item properties. Line item properties provide a way to collect additional information from your customers regarding their specific product choices, whether it be engraving text or a special message for gift orders. The information customers input here is crucial, as it gets stored with the cart item and is visible in the order details, ensuring seamless communication and customization. To begin, the most important step is to safely work on your theme, avoiding any mishaps with your live store. You'll start by creating a backup of your current theme. Head over to your Shopify admin, navigate through to Online Store, then to Themes. Here, you'll want to duplicate your current theme. By editing this duplicated version, you create a safe environment for testing changes without impacting your live store. Next, you'll need to locate the product template or product form within your theme files. This requires some snooping around. Go to Online Store, navigate again to Themes, select Actions, and then Edit Code. In the left sidebar, scour through the different files for the one that contains the product form section. Depending on your theme, it might be labeled as Product, Liquid, Product Template, Liquid, or nestled under sections, Product Form, Liquid. Once you have the right file open, prepare to add your custom text input field. This field needs to sit inside the key tag that contains the valuable Add to Cart button. Ensuring the input is placed here is essential, as it guarantees that the custom text will be submitted with the product when added to the cart. For the input field itself, here's an example of the code you'll insert. HTML, enter your message. Now let's break down why this snippet is significant. The name attribute, name properties custom message, is critical because it signals to Shopify that this input field should be attached as a line item property. This means that any personal message your customer types goes straight into the order details. After this, make sure to save your edits and proceed to test. Visit a product page, type a few words into your newfound custom message box, and add that product to your cart. When you view the cart page, you should see the custom message displayed neatly under the product line. Finally, once an order is completed, the custom property, labeled Custom Message, should be visible in your Shopify admin under Orders, alongside whatever information the customer provided. Feel free to review and test each step thoroughly to ensure everything operates smoothly, enhancing both the functionality of your store and the customer experience. I hope you found this guide useful, and thank you for tuning in today.